Chapter 5. Using Keyboard and Mouse. Sam, my teacher showed me a keyboard in the lab, but I found a big hodgepodge of keys on it. I was not able to find keys to write my name.
Don't worry, I will help you. It is not at all difficult to find keys on the keyboard. You will learn it with practice.
Then I will use it to do my homework on computer.
Of course, Shreya, typing on a keyboard is really fun. Tech goals. The keyboard, alphabet keys, number keys, special keys. The mouse, mouse pad, mouse pointer, mouse actions, drawing with the mouse. In this chapter, let us learn more about keyboard and mouse. The keyboard. We need a pencil or a pen to write in a notebook. Likewise, keyboard is used to type letters, numbers, and special characters on the monitor of a computer. It is a flat, rectangular, and a plastic board with many buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Nowadays, a wireless keyboard is also available. Types of keys. A keyboard has alphabet keys, number keys, special character keys, arrow keys, and function keys on it. Alphabet keys. The alphabet keys are marked with the English letters A to Z, but these keys are arranged in a jumbled order. In order to get any letters on the screen, press the key of that particular letters. Number keys. The number keys are used for typing numbers. They are marked with numbers 0 to 9. The number keys are also known as numeric keys. They are found at two places on a keyboard. The second row on the top of the keyboard and the other on the extreme right side of the keyboard. Special keys. These keys are used for different purposes. The commonly used special keys are as follows. Tech scoop. In some keyboards, there are two keys marked with the Windows symbol. When any of these keys is pressed, Start menu opens up. Caps Lock key. This key is used to type letters in capitals. If you press Caps Lock key, the light will glow on the right side of the keyboard. It means Caps Lock is on. Now, if you type the word keyboard, it will appear as keyboard. If the Caps Lock key is off, all the letters will appear in small letters like keyboard. Space bar. This key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between characters, words, and sentences. Enter key. This key is used to bring the cursor to the beginning of the next line. Backspace key. This key is used to erase the characters typed on the left side of the cursor. Delete key. This key is used to erase the characters to the right side of the cursor. Rapid move. Look at your keyboard in the computer lab. Now, copy the letters on alphabet keys on the given set of keys. Arrow keys. These keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. These keys make the cursor move in all the four directions, that is, up, down, left, and right. The mouse. Now, you have learnt that a mouse is one of the main parts of any computer. It is a pointing device which is used to select any item on the screen.
Scoop. The mouse is named as such because it looks a little like a house mouse in size and speed. It makes the pointer run on the screen very quickly, just like a house mouse runs on the floor of a house.
Latest mouse devices. Mouse pointer. When we move the mouse, we see a small arrow moving on the monitor. This is called the mouse pointer. It moves in the same direction in which we move the mouse. Scoop. The first mouse was made up of wood. Buttons of a mouse. A mouse has two buttons, left button and right button, and a scroll wheel. Mouse action. Clicking. A user clicks the mouse to do some action. A click sound is heard when we press the mouse button. Pressing the mouse button is called clicking. There are two types of clicking. 1. Single click. Press the left mouse button once, then leave it. The mouse will make a single click sound. This selects an item. 2. Double click. Press the left mouse button twice quickly, then leave it. The mouse will make a double click sound. This opens the item. Scrolling. Moving the scroll wheel to move pages up or down is called scrolling. We can move text on the screen up and down using the scroll wheel. Dragging. Dragging means keep on pressing the left mouse button and move the mouse on the mouse pad. This will move the selected item to the place where we leave the left mouse button after dragging. How to draw with the mouse? Step 1. Click on Start, Windows, Accessories, Point. Step 2. Hold the mouse properly. Step 3. Single click on the left mouse button and keep on holding it. Then drag the mouse on the mouse pad. Step 4. Draw a flower using click, hold and drag process of the left mouse button. Tech summary. A keyboard is one of the main parts of a computer that is used for typing. A keyboard has alphabet keys, number keys, special character keys, arrow keys, and function keys on it. The alphabet keys are used for typing letters from A to Z. The number keys have numbers on them. They are from 0 to 9. The caps lock key is used to type alphabet in capitals. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. This key is used to give space between words, characters, and sentences. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the beginning of the next line. The backspace key and the delete key are used to delete the text. The arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. A mouse is a pointing device which is used to select any item on the screen. It is also used to input data into the computer. The mouse pointer shows the location where the mouse is pointing on the screen.